Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your false lashes. Yuck, I know. But today it's going to be just super easy rundown of how I do it. I'm using the Faixy Foaming Lash Care Cleanser. It smells like citrus, sulfate free, and it makes your lashes last up to 15 times with these particular Faixy lashes. So first of all, you don't want to wash them right away. What you want to do is actually remove the glue. So you want to hold the strip firmly, and then you want to actually peel off the glue. You'll be surprised how easy this actually comes off and all in one piece. So just peel off the glue on the whole strip, and then you'll be ready to use the cleanser. So don't scrub it with any brush, don't soak them, because that's going to wear down your lashes. So just be gentle, and then you'll see all the glue removed, and then you can go on and cleanse it. So I like to just hold it in my hand like this and then just use the cleanser, the foaming cleanser. So that's going to condition it, it's going to remove all the debris, and the foam is going to ensure that it's not going to slip away when you're washing it. I know I've done that a few times with other lashes, so just clean off all the debris, rinse it off, and then you're going to want to just pat the lash dry on like a towel, paper towel, and then you're going to just put them back into the box so that they can maintain their original shape. And what's great about Faixy is the box is very sturdy, and you know that your lashes are nice and sterile in your drawer and all clean. So there you go.